Majestic mountains kiss the clouds. Crystal clear lakes reflect a postcard-perfect scene. And charming towns whisper stories of times gone by. Switzerland, land of breathtaking beauty and historic intrigue. But with so many places to visit, where do you start? Fear not, visitor. We have handpicked 7 incredible spots, each promising a unique adventure. Think fairy tale castles guarding mysterious secrets and lakeside elegance fit for royalty. Prepare to be surprised by the magic Switzerland has in store. So let's start. Number 1, Lucerne, the heart of Swiss charm nestled amidst snow-capped peaks on scenic Lake Lucerne. Lucerne is a fairy tale town brimming with history, culture, and breathtaking beauty. Explore the iconic Kappelbrücke Quay, a covered bridge adorned with vibrant paintings, or stroll along the car-free Old Town, where frescoed buildings line the charming squares. Climb the mighty Museum Wall, a well-preserved medieval rampart offering panoramic city views. Lucerne caters to all interests from history buffs, marveling at the Lion Monument to music lovers, enjoying the modern KKL Concert Hall. Take a scenic boat cruise on the lake or visit nearby Mount Rigi, Pilatus, or Stanzerhorn for breathtaking alpine vistas and unforgettable adventures. Lucerne is a must-visit for anyone seeking a quintessential Swiss experience. Number 2, Swiss Grand Canyon, Ruinalta, a natural wonder in disguise, nicknamed the Swiss Grand Canyon. Ruinalta is a dramatic gorge carved by the anterior Rhine River. While not as vast as its American counterpart, Ruinalta boasts its own unique charm. Imagine emerald green waters snaking through a 13-kilometer stretch of sheer limestone cliffs reaching up to 400 meters. This natural wonder, formed by a massive rock slide over 10,000 years ago, is a haven for outdoor enthusiasts. Hike or bike along scenic trails overlooking the gorge, or experience the thrill of a whitewater rafting adventure on the roaring Rhine. Ruinalta offers a glimpse into the raw power of nature and a chance to explore a hidden gem of Switzerland. Number 3, Grindelwald, a paradise for mountain enthusiasts. Grindelwald, nestled amidst the majestic Eiger, Ensch, and Jungfrau Mountains, is a postcard-perfect village and a haven for outdoor adventurers. Surrounded by lush valleys, glaciers, and cascading waterfalls, Grindelwald offers breathtaking scenery year-round. In winter, skiers and snowboarders of all levels enjoy world-class slopes with stunning views. Summer transforms the landscape into a hiker's paradise, with trails ranging from leisurely strolls to challenging climbs. Even non-hikers can access incredible vistas via cable cars, offering panoramic views of the surrounding peaks. Visit the enchanting Bacalpsee Lake, a turquoise jewel reflecting the snow-capped mountains, or explore the awe-inspiring Gletscherschlucht, a glacial gorge carved by the Grindelwald Glacier. Grindelwald is a perfect destination for families, with adventure activities, charming villages, and a relaxed atmosphere. Number 4, Oberhofen Castle. Lakeside elegance and living history standing proudly on the shores of Lake Thun. Oberhofen Castle is a captivating blend of medieval charm and aristocratic elegance. Dating back to the 13th century, the castle boasts a rich history, having witnessed the rise and fall of various noble families. Explore the well-preserved keep, a reminder of its defensive past, and admire the enchanting lake views from the tower's oriental smoking parlor. Step inside and delve into the fascinating world of the former residents through the castle's unique living museum. Wander through beautifully furnished rooms, each showcasing a distinct historical period from the 16th to the 19th century. Imagine life as a nobleman in the neo-Gothic dining room, or marvel at a knight's suit of armor. Don't miss the stunning 2.5-hectare park surrounding the castle. Designed in the 1840s, it showcases the evolution of garden art with various styles, from formal flower beds to tranquil English gardens. Oberhofen Castle offers a unique opportunity to experience Swiss history firsthand, all while surrounded by breathtaking natural beauty. Number 6. St. Moritz, playground of the rich and famous, and adventure seekers too. Nestled amidst the majestic peaks of the Engadine Valley, St. Moritz is a world-renowned resort town famous for its glamour, luxury, and stunning alpine scenery. Often dubbed the top of the world, St. Moritz has long attracted royalty, celebrities, and those seeking an opulent escape. Stroll down the glamorous Via Surlis, lined with designer boutiques and chic cafes. Or people watch at the legendary Colm Hotel, a symbol of St. Moritz's extravagance. However, St. Moritz offers more than just glitz and glam. Adventure enthusiasts flock here year-round for a plethora of activities. In winter, world-class skiing and snowboarding await on perfectly groomed slopes, while the Cresta Run, the only naturally refrigerated skeleton racing track in the world, offers a thrilling experience for spectators. Summer transforms the landscape into a hiker's paradise, with trails catering to all levels. And the glistening Lake St. Moritz beckons for refreshing swims or scenic boat tours. St. Moritz caters to a diverse clientele, offering luxurious experiences alongside exhilarating adventures, making it a unique destination in the heart of the Swiss Alps.